Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Knowledgeable Strategies. Today I am going to show the financial function formulas in Excel. In my last video I have shown the financial function calculations in Excel. So let's start with the video. I'll be showing the formulas for future value, present value, rate, number of periods, PMT. In each of the formula, one thing is common, that is type. Type can be either begin mode or the end mode. End mode is usually used for the loan question when you need to find out any question regarding loans, or otherwise the question itself tells you need to find it in the end mode, then we use it end mode. Otherwise all the questions are done in begin mode. The type is in begin mode. So we'll start with future value. We'll apply the formula as is equal to FV bracket rate NPR, that is given in the question, PMT or present value. Both the values would be given or any of the one would be given, then also you can find the future value. Type would be begin mode, that is 1. Then present value. Present value is equal to PV, rate NPR would be given, PMT or FV or both the values would be given, and you can find out the present value. Rate is equal to rate, NPR would be given, PMT, PV, FV. All of the three values would be given or any of the two, either PMT, PV or FV. You can find out the rate. PMT, PV, PV, FV, FV, then you can find the rate. NPR, rate, PMT, PV, FV. This is the formula for NPR. Rate and PMT would be given, rate would be given, PMT, PV, FV, any of the two. In PMT is equal to PMT, rate and NPR would be given, PV or FV or both the values. So in short, in all the 5 formulas, if you have the 3 values, then also you can find the future value, present value, rate, NPR, PMT. These are the formulas in Excel. So we'll see more things. PV is equal to present value, FV is future value, rate is rate of return, NPR is number of periods, PMT will be payments, that you would be either paying monthly, weekly, quarterly, annually or semi-annually. If the question is given for PMT, then you need to find the rate and NPR as follows. If it is weekly, then you have to take rate percent divide by 52 and NPR should be years into 52 because you are finding it for weekly. Monthly will be divided by 12 into 12, quarterly will be 4, annually is 1 and semi-annually is 2. I have done in my previous video one question regarding PMT. So you can look at that question and you will understand what does this mean. Thank you. This is all about today. If you have any query in this video, then you can comment in the comment section. Please do like, subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon button for more videos. Thank you.